Hi, my name is Desiree, and this is my week 2 project for Aoc2. This week we had to implement week 1 um, subclasses and classes to create the functionality for our app using Iboutlets and actions. I'll show you what I did. What I first did was create the view controller, how my app was going to look. I didn't add in the images. I'm going to go back and do that, but I didn't have that much time because I was still working on this. So this is generally what it would look like. So after that, I created the second view, which is just your name, your image, and then of course the button to return back to the main view. So after I did that, then I went into the view controller header file, and that's where I created all my Iboutlets, which are basically like your variables, and named them all according to weeks 1, which my app is basically calculating how many minutes it takes to read a certain amount of pages. So I included a stepper, and then I have a calculate button, and of course I have just a few other things, so I'll go ahead and show you that. So when you first turn it on, well, let's turn it off. So just say goodbye, and it'll get grayed out so you know that it's off. And then you turn it on, so that's my power button. And the functionality for that is power switch. So here I set all my Iboutlets, here I set all the actions, and then I went into the .m file, and that's where I created all the functionality. So here you see the functionality for the power switch, and then as you go through and you toggle through these different buttons, which are my subclasses, whichever one you're on, it'll let you know you chose which one you chose. So if you're an adult, it'll input you chose an adult, kid, you chose a kid, child, you chose a child. And based on those different ones, you'll go through the stepper, and you can basically, it'll tell you here how many pages you read, which I need to fix that because it's kind of cut off. But say you chose 2 pages and you chose the adult, the functionality down here will tell you, okay, time per page is 2 minutes. You chose 2 books, and then when you actually go into the functionality, what it's going to do is it's going to multiply that time per page by the value, and it's going to give you the total time. Then you'll calculate it, and it'll say you read it in 4 minutes. So you do that for each of them, and you can lower the stepper, you can add more pages, and underneath here I'm going to put images of different books, so just saying whatever book you read. And then down here I just put that you change your mood. You can change it to blue, which I don't know why it's not working, magenta, brown. Oh, there it goes. So the basic one is going to be white because I have a default set to white, which I don't know where that is either. And then the only problem that I'm having, the thing that I can't get to work right now, is switching pages. But I actually, let me stop this and open up another app. I started off creating the wrong app, and I actually do have, let me show you. I created a calculator, but I want to show you that I do know how to get that functionality to work. I just don't know why it was not working in my other one. So that's what is actually supposed to happen in my app. So that's basically it. What I could have done better was actually got this to work in my other app. I've had so many things going wrong with this, and semantics, and everything was just crazy, so I didn't have enough time to do what I really wanted to do and focus on what I want to focus on. But that's pretty much it. Let me go back. Oh, see, these are the books that I'm looking for, actually. Let me see. I pretty much think that's it. So I went through all my code, and hopefully I can get everything fixed by then, so you guys will see the images that I missed, and then hopefully I can get this page to switch on my other app, which I should be able to do. I just don't know what happened. So I will see you guys in next week.